What you just heard was the pressure of the water in our shower going up and then down. And that happens because we have our own water system. Yeah. And there is a hydrophore tank that contains the water, and there's supposed to be some air in it. And when that air goes away, I think it follows the water out. That air bubble on the top is too small, and the pump starts and stops a bit too much. In this little hill here, there's a drilled hole down, I think it's like 50 meters down in the mountain, or in the bedrock. And the pump is in there, and it pumps up the water, and the water goes in the ground through a hose over there, and that's where we're going today. The first thing I did was take the fuse out in the fuse central for this pump. Then I'm gonna let this water out. We can give some of it to the horses. Hey. They're just like big crazy dog, these horses. Okay, let's climb down here. So this is where the water is stored, and as you can see, maybe here, there's water all over up here, and it's supposed to be like water, I think something like up here, and then air all over here. And you can put like a valve here and just push some compressed air here, and then you will see the air coming down here, the water going down. But I've only lived here for 10 years plus, so why start now? But what I'll do is I'll open this here, let all the water out, and it will drain here, same place that this water that's coming from, I think it's from the ground, because this here there's some small holes in it, and I have no idea where this goes, where this leads. But it doesn't seem to clog, so anyway. And the water coming from the pump is going in here, and then here and there, and then when you open the tap, it goes out there. And there are this one is only air that is the cushion for this for the water. But there are these which has like a rubber bladder in them, but that's not very good if you have water that smells like rotten eggs, because you need the air to oxidize this I think sulfur metanium gas or something like that. We don't have that problem, but this was here when we bought this. So. I usually clean out if there's something in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it says here manufacturing year 1950. So that makes it 71 years old. Yeah. I want to make sure that there's no leakage down here. There's no leakage. There's air now in the top, so it's acting as a spring. Done for this year. As you can hear now, the pressure is much more consistent. There's some air came into the system, but it doesn't matter.